Balochi chicken tikka biryani. Let's start the recipe. I have taken 1 kg chicken. Add around half bottle of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and let it dip for 20 minutes. We'll add the chicken with the brine water. Now the traditional way of making this Balochi tikka is that we need to put oil in this. See? As you see, the water has started boiling. The chicken will cook in this water. The water will evaporate and then we will fry the chicken in this oil. Now just mix it once. Now we will make a special Balochi masala. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of black pepper crushed, 1 spoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of haldi, that is turmeric powder, salt, 1 spoon chaat masala, 1 spoon garam masala. Roast them. It's done. Switch off the flame. Let it rest for 2 minutes and then make a coarse powder in the grinder. Almost water content is finished. The water has been evaporated. The chicken has started frying in the oil. Only oil is left and the chicken is being fried. Now we'll take out the chicken also after a few minutes. This is a traditional way of cooking chicken. Let's take out the chicken from the oil. See, it's perfectly done. Add the chicken to the kadhai, green chilies. Then we'll be adding 2 spoons of the masala. Mix it. Squeeze the lemon juice on top. The masala has been done properly. Now again we'll add little masala on top as it's going to be in biryani, so the masala content has to be more. A splash of water in it so that the masala sticks up properly. Lemon juice, perfectly done. Now we'll add some lemon slices. Our chicken is ready. Now let's place it in the biryani. For biryani, we'll boil the water first. 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, 3 to 4 black pepper. After adding all the sabut masalas, we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and squeeze half a lemon in the water. Let it come to the boil. I have taken half kg of basmati rice. You need to wash it properly and dip it at least 20 minutes in water. The water has started boiling. Now we'll add rice. You need to cook 80% of the rice. It should not be fully boiled. Our rice is 80% done. See? Now we will strain it out. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee, bay leaf, mace, black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves. Take 3 sliced onions. Cook until they change their color. Fresh green chili paste and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Our masala is ready. I have taken 1 bowl of curd, 1 tablespoon of masala to the curd. Mix it well. By adding the masala in the curd, it helps the curd not to curdle when you add it to the onions. Add a splash of water. Add the curd. Keep stirring it. See, don't curdle. Cook it for a minute. Add little salt. Time to add our Balochi chicken to the gravy. Let's add the chicken. Now we'll add the layer of rice. Fresh coriander, mint leaves, fried onions, masala, our special Balochi Tikka masala, a tablespoon of ghee, half cup of milk. We'll cook the biryani in dum. Cover it. We'll put a tawa underneath for 5 minutes on high flame and then 10 minutes on low flame. Let's check the biryani. After 20 minutes, just switch off the flame, let it rest for 10 minutes and then we'll remove the foil. The flavor of chili, Balochi masala, lemon. Let's check the biryani. See, perfectly done. Now let's mix it once. Our dish Balochi biryani is ready to serve. If you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query, DM me at my Instagram handle Priyanka_Bhatia. Do try the dish. It's really yummy. Enjoy.